is another milestone by our party, especially after we published a formal notice to withdraw from the deed of agreement for Azimio coalition on the 13th of June 2023. You remember that the Speaker of the National Assembly pronounced himself on the floor of the House that Jubilee, having qualified, being a parliamentary party with 28 members in the National Assembly and 5 in the Senate, we were recognized as a parliamentary party, and that is the reason Honorable Sabina Kega moved from the position of Deputy Whip of the Azimio to become the Jubilee Whip in the National Assembly. The High Court, however, effectively stayed the notice when it was issued. It issued conservatory orders on the 13th of July, in 2023 in the High Court Civil Appeal number 0630 of 2023, which had been filed by Honorable Jeremiah Kioni following his expulsion from the party on the 2nd of May 2023. It is a matter of public knowledge that Jubilee made the decision to exit the Azimio coalition following the blatant mistreatment and emasculation in Parliament and county assemblies by ODM. You remember that after the 13th Parliament was inaugurated, the leadership was also inaugurated, but unfortunately, what belonged to Jubilee was taken by ODM. At the moment, Jubilee is not represented in the Parliamentary Service Commission, a position that was taken by ODM. Jubilee is not represented in the Budget Committee. Our positions were taken by ODM and many other committees. We only have one chair in the National Assembly, and we are entitled to 5 chairs of committees. But unfortunately, they were all taken by ODM, and that is the reason we decided to exit Azimio. We also have issues in the county assemblies. The County Assembly of Nairobi, we have over 10 members in the County Assembly. Unfortunately, we have been mistreated, and some of our members have even been de-whipped. Actually, we have 3 members who have been removed from committees on instructions from the former Secretary General, Jeremiah Kioni. Jubilee Party is therefore happy with its new status as a parliamentary party, and we will robustly and independently champion the interests of Kenyans on the floor of Parliament as mandated by the people. We are going to cascade the same. The decision that was made in the National Assembly is going to be escalated in the Senate, so that our 5 senators are also recognized as a parliamentary party. We also cascaded down to the county assemblies, whereby in the County Assembly of Nairobi, for example, we also become a parliamentary, a county party that will have the whip, the leadership, and the positions that go with that position. We are also aware that Kioni has written so many letters to the county assemblies, to the National Assembly, to the Senate, and we would really want to remind him that he is in that office courtesy of a conservatory order, which of course has its limitations. And I want to highlight some of the cases that we have. We would like our members to know that the multiple court cases filed by Honorable Kioni following his expulsion from the party are pending hearing and determination, and it is only a matter of time before they are concluded. We have continued to obey the conservatory orders issued in those cases that require the status quo of Jubilee, of the leadership of Jubilee, to be maintained as per the Gazette Notice number 3195 of 22nd March 2022, which I have also attached here and I will also be able to provide, pending the determination of the Kioni's appeal. We want to say that Kioni is abusing the court process. He is only in that active position courtesy of a conservatory order, and for sure he has been usurping powers that he doesn't have. It is perturbing, however, that Kioni continues to abuse this goodwill from the courts, while the court cases are ongoing and while the conservatory orders are in place. Kioni has purported to single-handedly reorganize the organs of the party, which is not only highly presumptuous, it is also gross in contempt of court. While Kioni's wanting leadership style is not surprising to the leadership of Jubilee, it is also important that we clarify to our members that Kioni does not have powers to do the following things that he has been doing lately. 1, purporting to convene any party organ meeting. 2, purporting to replace NEC members with non-members of Jubilee. 3, writing dismissal letters to members of Internal Dispute Resolution Committee and the National Disciplinary Committee. 4, writing to speakers of the Senate, National Assemblies, and County Assemblies on purported changes to leadership and committee membership in the respective houses. The latest being letters he has written to the County Assembly of Meru, trying to direct how members are going to vote or are going to carry out themselves. And 5, writing to the registrar of political parties on the affairs of Jubilee without authority of the relevant party organs. Our legal team have been instructed to bring to the attention of the High Court the contemptuous manner in which Kioni continues to treat its orders and as such apply for the setting aside of these conservatory orders so that Kioni can truly be free to launch his recently established Kamwene party. You have seen him of late, that he has been going around with a group calling itself Kamwene. We are very much aware that they are in the final stages of registering that party. Of course, a very tribal party, which Jubilee would not want to associate with ourselves with. And we would really want to beseech Kioni to leave Jubilee out of the issues of Kamwene, because we don't subscribe to tribal and regional parties. Jubilee is a national party. In fact, from the records that we have from the registrar of political parties, we have over 6 million registered Jubilee members. And there is no way we can reduce our party from a national party to associate ourselves with tribal parties. Signed. So basically that's the communication that we have, and this one I'm doing on behalf of the other members who have also appended their signature. I have also provided the list of and the Gazette notice that was stayed, or the Gazette notice that is now in force or enforced, to make sure that Jubilee runs as a party. Asante. Kwa kifupi niseme kwamba tumeita kikao hiki ili tuwaeleze wafuasi wetu wa chama na nchi kwa jumla kwamba chama chetu kiko imara. Chama chetu ndicho cha tatu kwa umaarufu katika taifa hili letu la Kenya. Tuko na zaidi ya wabunge 28 katika bunge la kitaifa. Tuko na maseneta 5 katika seneti yetu ya kitaifa. Tuko na zaidi ya wajumbe wa county assemblies zaidi ya 116 ambao ni wa chama chetu cha Jubilee, ambao wako katika kila pembe ya nchi hii yetu. Ya pili, tuseme kwamba tumefurahishwa na uamuzi ambao uliotolewa na spika wa bunge la kitaifa ya kuonyesha kwamba Jubilee ni chama ambacho kimehitimu kuwa chama ambacho kimejisimamia. Sisi tumekuwa tukitishwa katika ule muungano ambao tulikuwa kwa huo muungano wa Azimio, na tukasema kwamba tukaonelea kwamba ni vyema sisi tukae sisi kibinafsi kama chama, kwa sababu katiba ya Kenya na taratibu za bunge zinakubalia kwamba chama kikihitimu kuwa na wabunge zaidi ya 17 katika bunge la taifa linajulikana kama parliamentary party. Sisi tumehangaishwa sana na wale ambao tumekuwa tukifanya kazi nao, wale wa upande wa Azimio, kwa sababu viti vyote katika bunge za county wao, badala ya kutupatia ama kupatia Jubilee haki yake, kila wakati huwa wanachukua viti vyetu, na ndivyo tukatoa amri na tukatoa hakikisho kwamba sisi tutajisimamia, Jubilee itasimama imara, na niwahakikishie wanachama wetu kwamba Jubilee tutaimarisha mwaka ujao. Baada ya kesi hizi zote kutamatishwa, tutaanza kusajili upya wanachama wengine ili tuhakikishe kwamba ifikapo uchaguzi wa 2027 Jubilee itakuwa na wajumbe wengi, Jubilee itakuwa na maseneta wengi, Jubilee itakuwa na magavana wengi. Nilikuwa nimesahau kwamba Jubilee iko na gavana mmoja wa kule Isiolo, gavana Ngunyi. Kwa hivyo chama cha Jubilee kiko imara, na tutahakikisha kwamba chama kitasimama imara ili kishindane na vyama vile vingine vyote katika ulingo wa siasa. Ya pili ni kusema kwamba aliyekuwa katibu mkuu wa chama hiki chetu, Mheshimiwa Jeremiah Kioni, amejitwika uongozi ambao hauko katika katiba hii letu. Kioni, Murathe na Kagwe sio wanachama wa chama chetu cha Jubilee, kwa sababu kamati kubwa ya chama hii yetu iliketi na ikawafukuza kuwa wanachama wa chama cha Jubilee. Ni vile tu